Hello bachcho, let's read the question. Two compounds px2y3 and px3y2 are given where P is phosphorus atom and X and Y are monovalent. XY are monovalent atoms. If X atoms are replaced by Z atoms and electronegativity order is X is greater than Y and Z. So the dipole moment of we have to state the incorrect statement. We have to choose the incorrect statement. First one is the dipole moment of product obtained by px2 y3 is non-zero. Dipole moment of product obtained from px2 y3 is 0. The dipole moment of product obtained by px3 y2 is 0 and the dipole moment of product obtained by px3 y2 is non-zero. So what would be the incorrect statement? The dipole moment of px2y3. px2y3 basically they both are different electronegativity. Their electronegativity is different. X and Y electronegativity is different. If X atom are replaced by Z, then it would be Z2Y3. And also Z electronegativity is greater than Y. Sorry, Z is less than Y. Z electronegativity is less than Y. But there would be some dipole moment. Dipole moment is basically not, you can say not be 0, not equal to 0. This there some would value. Mu naught is not equal to 0. So this statement is correct. We have to choose the incorrect one. And another one, px2y3 is 0. This one would be incorrect then. After that they are mentioning P of x3 and y2. P of x3 and y2 is 0. So they are saying that the dipole moment of px3 and y2 is 0. And if x is replaced by z, it means P of z3 and y2 is equal to 0. So if we make the compound P of z3 and y2, then it forms this type of compound. Z here and here it would be z and y is here. So they are in same plane. Z are in same plane and y is anti to each other. So their mu value would be 0. This statement is correct. This is correct that px3y2 is 0. The dipole, this is the inverse of this. So this statement is incorrect. So this suggests that option B and option D is the answer. Option B and D are the correct answer. I hope you got the concept.